Last year, we did something quite spectacular, something quite special. COVID-19 was an additional burden on top of the current caregiving requirements that many of these individuals have for the warriors that we serve. What we realized was that we need to renew our focus on caregivers. And last year, we started this process of a renewed focus on caregivers by, first off, giving them a grant of $3,000 to help support them in their own health and well-being, using that money to maybe purchase exercise equipment, using that purchase to pay for home repairs, something that would then take the burden. But it was also an opportunity to use that money to begin the discussion of what these caregivers truly need, especially in light of their day-to-day and having COVID-19 on top of that, really exacerbating some of their issues. That stepping stone was then used to try to address other issues. Do they need access to mental health care? We were able to provide for these caregivers additional mental health care in the form of telehealth through our partners in the space, eHome. Having that ability to provide telehealth care to support non-trauma care, to support any issues with potentially depression, anxiety, working with these caregivers to help remediate some of these issues in the comfort of their own home. But that also means that when these caregivers are getting care, they would also need additional support and services in form of respite care, maybe some companion care or additional home health care to help support their ability to get that level of treatment for themselves. So these are several initiatives that we've taken over the last year and a half to really focus on caregivers' needs. Caregiver day-to-days, generally they have family, they have other dependents, young kids, teenage kids who are in school or were also struggling in school just like all other kids when we had to change into more of a virtual format. So we've been able to help provide additional resources, meals, meal prep for these families to really try to offset some of that caregiver burden, especially during the last 15 months.
BrainLine is powered in part by Wounded Warrior Project to honor and empower post-9/11 injured service members, veterans, and their families.